Sometimes the best defense is offense. That's the principle behind the CRAM Point Defense System, a 0.79-inch Gatling gun equipped with state-of-the-art radar technology. It's lightning quick, capable of firing 4,500 rounds per minute. CRAM is short for counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar. It's the last line of defense against a hostile projectile strike. CRAM is able to detect, intercept, and destroy projectiles before they reach their targets. This is where its first main component comes in, the FAAD-C2 system. The system interacts with readings from its various radar and radio frequency systems and primes its guns to instantaneously fire when threats are detected within range. Its radar systems feature closed-loop spotting technology, which minimizes the time it takes for it to acquire and track targets before its weapon systems are engaged. CRAM's origins can be traced back to its naval counterpart, the Phalanx Close-In Weapons System, or CWIS for short. After seeing CWIS's success in deterring incoming artillery, as well as opposing gunboats, a land-based variant of the system was quickly developed. Since then, CRAM has protected countless sites from artillery fire. Instead of being permanently fixed on a ship, CRAM is mounted on a trailer and fired remotely. Like CWIS, CRAM employs the use of a forward-looking infrared camera to detect oncoming threats. That means visibility isn't a concern when CRAM hunts down its targets. Instead of relying on visual cues, the FLIR camera allows it to track its targets thermally. The main differentiating factor between the CWIS and CRAM lies in the ammunition they use. Unlike CWIS's tungsten ammo, CRAM utilizes 0.79-inch high-explosive incendiary tracer self-destruct cartridges to reduce collateral damage from stray rounds in urban environments. With a flash of light, CRAM systems engage and obliterate any threat that comes in its range. Its M61A1 Gatling gun fires at a rapid pace of roughly 4,500 rounds per minute. The only weapon system in the U.S. military arsenal with a faster fire rate is the M134 minigun, which shoots at a blazing fast rate of 6,000 rounds per minute. CRAM was first tested on the field in 2010 to protect the U.S. Embassy in Baghdad, Iraq. During this initial testing, it was able to neutralize 80% of rockets and mortar shells fired within its area of control. The U.S. won't be the only country with a CRAM system. In 2018, NATO's Allied National Armaments Directors began an initiative to turn the development and use of the CRAM system into a multinational affair. The first countries to take part in the initiative included Germany, Greece, Hungary, and the UK. With this, they hope to standardize the development of future CRAM systems to ensure each unit functions the same. As dazzling as it is to see CRAM's Gatling gun at work, future ground-based anti-missile systems may not use guns at all. The U.S. Navy has been experimenting with directed energy weapons to varying degrees of success. With the careful, focused application of powerful radio waves, directed energy weapon systems could neutralize their targets silently and near instantaneously. The Navy has been experimenting with a directed energy weapon system called the Helios system. If the Helios system works as intended, it could be an anti-missile system with a theoretically unlimited number of shots delivered at the speed of light. Until then, CRAM is one of the best systems used to neutralize threats in the air before they hit their ground targets. When in action, it's certainly a sight to behold.